Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a mobile app with AppGyver, easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, navigate to the AppGyver website. Create an account by signing up with your email address. Once your account is created, log into the AppGyver platform. Click on Create New App on the dashboard. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your app. Choose a name that reflects the purpose of your app. Next, select a layout template from the available options. You can choose a blank template for full customization or a pre-designed one for convenience. After selecting a template, click on Create. This will take you to the AppGyver Composer interface. In the Composer, familiarize yourself with the user interface. On the left side, you'll find the Components panel. Drag and drop components from the panel onto your app canvas. Start with a basic component like a text field for your app title. Customize the text by clicking on it and editing its properties. You can also adjust the font size and color in the Properties panel. Next, add more components such as buttons or images as needed. To add functionality, select a button and go to the Logic tab. Here, you can define the actions that will occur when the button is pressed. For example, you can navigate to a different screen or submit data. Once you've added the necessary components and logic, it's time to test your app. Click on the Preview button to see how your app looks and functions. If you encounter any issues, go back and make adjustments in the Composer. When you're satisfied with your app's design and functionality, it's time to prepare for publishing. Navigate to the Build tab in the AppGyver interface. Here, you can choose to export your app for iOS or Android. Follow the provided instructions for each platform to ensure a successful build. Once the build process is complete, download your app file. Finally, follow the guidelines for submitting your app to the relevant app stores. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.